Welcome to my channel. Are you looking to test the e-commerce market, but don't want to invest in an expensive website? In this video, we will discuss the top 10 best free website creation platforms that you can use to create your e-commerce website. We will also explain why you should use a free website when testing the e-commerce market. 1. Do you want to test the e-commerce industry but don't want to spend a lot of money on a website? In this video, we'll talk about the top 10 free website building tools you may use to build an e-commerce website. We'll also discuss the benefits of using a free website to test the e-commerce market. 2. Introduction. Welcome to our channel, where you will find the top online marketing advice. The top 10 free website building tools for evaluating e-commerce marketplaces are covered in this video. When it comes to e-commerce, having a website is crucial, but buying a costly is Ecwid. Ecwid is an e-commerce platform that offers a free plan. It provides various features such as product pages, shopping cart, and payment processing. 3. Big Cartel. Big Cartel is an e-commerce platform that offers a free plan. It is perfect for artists and small businesses that want to sell products online. It offers features such as inventory tracking, order management, and the ability to customize your website. 4th, PrestaShop. PrestaShop is an e-commerce platform that offers a free plan. It offers various features such as product pages, shopping cart, and payment processing. It is also open source, meaning you can customize it to your needs. 5. Magento. Magento is an e-commerce platform that offers a free plan. It is perfect for larger businesses and offers various features such as product pages, shopping cart, and payment processing. 6. OpenCart. OpenCart is an open-source e-commerce platform that offers a free plan. It provides various features such as product pages, shopping cart, and payment processing. Conclusion. In conclusion, these are the top 10 best free website creation platforms that you can use to test the e-commerce market. Although they are not entirely free, they offer free plans that can help you understand what works best for you before investing in an expensive website. When testing the e-commerce market, it is essential to keep your costs low and use these platforms to your advantage. We hope this video has been helpful too. Website while you are still testing the market might not be the greatest move. Here is where free you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks for online marketing.